1箇所って言われたけど、2箇所明らかに仕様が異なるネジ穴が見えるタイヤに更新されてますね。ロック機能があってなかなか変えるのもめんどくさそうだなと。やっぱり標準部品持ってないと変えられる気がしないんで修理に出しましたが、4200円、4250円。高いね。仕方ない。買い直すよりは安いけど。この1箇所だけ新しくなったみたいだな。しかもそんなに動きがいいわけじゃない。はい。
今回は許可をいただきまして、無料での交換手続き可能になりました。
ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。
はい。で、もう一点なんですね。ヒーロー7ブラックはだいぶ前からのカメラでございます。
はい。
今現在生産終了になったカメラでございますので、上のものからもっと新しいカメラのヒーロー9ブラックの交換の手続き、適用されましたので、いかがでございますか？
それは全然ウェルカムですね。はい。
でございますか？
はい。
なんですね、カメラはヒーロー9ブラックのカメラはもっと新しいカメラでございますけれども、
はい。
日本の規制でバッテリーを輸出もしくは輸入することできない結果として、カメラのみの交換になりますので、バッテリーはヒーロー9のバッテリーそちら側の方、お店側の方なんですね。ご購入になられますがよろしいでございますか？
なるほど、わかりました。
レジ袋ご利用のお客様は、レジ袋の年齢確認商品で。
もういらっしゃいます。どうぞ、左側空いてます。ご利用ください。
ただいま係員が参ります。
いただきます。 杯。麺いける？食べたかったやつやん。うまっ。やば。
I recommend keeping it there at highest quality. Down here where it says controls, we're going to click on that, and we're going to go up here to Pro. That's going to give you all of the options unlocked and available for you to customize as you want to.
カオさんが入って
LEDs
き
you
た
can do
ガ
all
キを
on, you can do
半
all
分い
off,
ただ
you
く
can do front off only. Generally, I just keep them all on. It's helpful to know what's recording and when it's recording. For anti-flicker, this is going to depend on what region you're located in the world. Here in the United States, our standard is 60 hertz, but there are several countries where it's 50 hertz. So what you set this to is also going to affect your frame rates. So when you set it to 60 hertz, you're going to see 24, 30, 60, 120, and 240. And of course 480, because you can do 480 frames per second in the 1080p mode. If you set it to 50, you're going to see the frame rates like 25, 30, 50, 100. So you want to make sure this matches up to the broadcast standard of your country. So in my case, I'm going to set it to 60. Alright, so that's everything under the general menu. I'm going to go back now. And the GPS, we turned that off earlier. If you do want it on, it's going to tag the location you were
ちょうど
at
種
when
に
you
当た
did
っちゃ
your
う
video
と
or
辛い
pictures, which can be useful later on. Let's say you explored a national park and you wanted to know exactly where you got some of the footage. I recommend it for something like that. But otherwise, generally I recommend keeping it off because it's going to save battery power. That's the voice control menu here. So we already talked about that. And this has a little more detailed settings like here under commands. You can click on that. And it gives you a list of commands that you can say to the camera for it to do these different things. But again, I recommend keeping the voice off. It does work great, but it's just not something I use. If you want to use it, great. You can turn it on and use it. For the displays, it's got a few more in-depth settings here as well. So orientation and landscape. If you do want to do vertical video for some reason, you can set this to all.